Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing my Witch's Moon box for the month of June. I'm a little late, but it's been a crazy season. So let's just check it out. A pretty dragon here. Earth and Air Dragon represents a perfect balance of heaven and earth. Stay balanced, ground your visions, manifest your hopes and dreams. Yes, please, I would love some groundedness and balance. A call upon my dragon guardian. Ooh, so fancy. Love it. I just got done going through a whole bunch of these as I was putting up all of my Witch's Moon art. The Mystical Guide. So let's see what we got here. I'm going to move this back a bit. This is absolutely beautiful. Benton, Wisdom and Prosperity. Saraswati. Oh wow. Really, really cool and interesting. Ooh, dragons. Super cool. Love it. Time leaf. Brown sage. Basil. The Seeker. Sacred salt. Let's look inside. Smells good. Smells good, good, good. So good, good, good. Dragon Scale. Magical anointing oil. It's got stuff loaded in it. I don't know if you can see that. I'll give her a smell. Spicy. Smells good. We've got Dragon's Blood Incense, a favorite of mine. Love it. Okay, 2 items left. Let's get my knife out. Nice dark reddish. Alright, let's look at what we've got here. Oh! Looks like a pyrite. And a dragon. He's beautiful. Love that. So I'm going to move this back a bit. Put dragon here so you can see him. But also move all of this up so you can see everything else in the box as well. Alright, and let's read about this. Throughout our journey, we find specific guides that call to us and resonate with our spiritual essences. These mystical guides come in a variety of shapes and sizes from different times and tales. Within our magical practices, we recognize these energies with much respect and gratitude. From offering guidance through signs, symbols, talismans, and synchronicities to conveying support by their presence, these mystical guides are true guardians and protectors. In this very special and one-of-a-kind collection, we work with a very prominent guide to accompany us on our path. It is important to always remember that your path is sacred to your individual self. And then they go through their disclaimer. Okay, Brass Dragon Guide Altar Statue. As one of the most well-known mythical creatures, dragons have been found within ancient stories of lore and magic throughout almost every demographical history known to man. These wonderful and significant creatures have been so prominent within the history of the world that it is impossible to dismiss their presence and powers. Several different families of dragons have been found within the lore of Europe, especially Scandinavia and the islands in the North Atlantic, France, Spain, and the British Isles, Ireland, Russia, Greece, and overwhelmingly throughout China, Asia, and Indonesia. It is said that the dragons that fly through the sky realms of Mexico, America, Australia, and the Orient are often described as using the Earth's magnetic fields and directional wind to carry them to their destination. Many dragons throughout the specific regions are relied upon to protect and control the elemental realms, controlling the wind, sea levels, and storms, as well as manipulating the growth of forests that inhabit the land. Throughout China, it is said that the dragon can take on many forms and shapes and can easily speak many languages. It is also said that most dragons can take on the form of a human and are almost impossible to recognize until the seeker is ready. Recorded in Chinese history, the earliest sighting of a dragon form was found painted upon a vessel dating back towards 2000 BCE. It has even been recorded that the Egyptian Apep was described as a large dragon serpent that ruled throughout the underworld. Although there is a vast documented history of dragons through many countries and cultures, we focus our energies within this collection on connecting with their energies and eventually obtaining the ability to communicate with our very personal and immediate intimate dragon guide and guardian. Okay. Dragon Guardian Sigil. Pretty. Dragons of the East Book of Shadows artwork, which we saw when I first opened this box. Very pretty. And hand-rolled and anointed to seek within spell candle. Creating environment steadying and consuming steady as to work towards inviting dragon guides into your ritual space. Oh, it's got enchanted with oils of clove and cinnamon. Nice. Dragon Scale Magical Anointing Oil. We've created this magical anointing oil with the intention of creating a potent protective boundary around yourself and your ritual tools. It has cinnamon, black pepper, clove, and basil, golden seal, day leaf, and vervain, a Lemurian quartz, and ancient guardian magical oil from their cabinet of witchery, a pyrite crystal. Although commonly known as a protector, pyrite also has the immense ability to foster the perfect ideal of physical, intellectual, and emotional health. Basil. Love spells and sachets, attract love. Protective energies. Then we have sage. Ground sage can yield a variety of different magical results. Thyme, courage herb, the seeker, sacred salt, and it has clove and cedar oils as well as basil and clover herbs with their divine guide magical oil. Dragon's blood ritual incense sticks. Shinto Spirit of Benton Book of Shadows artwork. Very cool. Personalized oracle reading, and a parchment paper. This is really, really cool. I'm super excited. Number one, I'm excited because Witch's Moon always changes it up, keeps evolving, keeps giving us fresh and different items every time for years and years, and I really admire that. The second thing is I'm actually I got a book, I think I recently did a review on it, or it's coming up, on Feng Shui this year, and I've actually been really paying attention to like placement and Chinese astrology in addition to my regular or to what I'm familiar with as Western astrology, and they do recommend having these in specific dragons in specific spots of the house to bring in different beneficial properties, and so now I have one, and that is really cool, and I will definitely be using that. I'm also kind of excited because I just got done putting my, I finally got leather binders for my artwork for Witch's Moon, and it's kind of organizing them in a way that flows, and just like I'm also really intrigued in putting these in the areas that I think that it will suit the Book of Shadows I have coming through with these artworks. So very, very excited. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I love this box. I've been getting it for years. I have no intention of ever quitting. And so that's just my best recommendation that I can give. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys so much. I hope to be able to connect with you more in the near future. Just got to tough through this summer term, which is kicking my butt. But I will see you guys soon. I hope you have a wonderful day.